Welcome, this is Jamb here. 2015 government past question. Question number 24 says, abolition of civil liberty is an attribute of dash. Abolition of civil liberty is attribute of dash. That is, abolition means stop page. When you stop civil right, and civil right is the basic liberty or right of the people, because liberty simply means freedom. So option A says presidential system, option B says parliamentary system, option C says military system, option D says republican system. I want to talk of presidential system. That is, there's a president. Parliamentary system means two heads of states, so one for government, one for state. The military government means junta system. That is soldiers. The republican government means civil government. So the government that abolish civil liberty is military government, and that is the soldier government. So option C is correct. Thank you, and share and subscribe for more videos.